Welcome to this Tic Tac Toe tutorial. In this video, I'll guide you through the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript code for a modern two-player Tic Tac Toe game. First, let's quickly scroll through the code so you can pause and take a look. Now, let's go through the HTML structure. The game includes a title at the top, a turn indicator to show whose turn it is, a game board with 9 cells, and a restart button to reset the game. Each cell starts empty, waiting for a player to place an X or an O. Next, let's move on to the CSS. The board uses a grid layout with white cells for better visibility. Hover effects make it more interactive. The winning cells turn green when a player wins, and the turn indicator updates dynamically. Now, let's dive into the JavaScript code that controls the game. First, we select the board, all the cells, the message area, and the reset button. We define the current player, starting as X, the game board array, representing each cell, a game active flag, to check if the game is still running, and a list of winning combinations to determine a winner. After each move, we check if there's a winner. If a player wins, the game highlights the winning cells and displays a message. If all cells are filled and no one wins, it's a draw. Next, we add an event listener to each cell. When a player clicks on a cell, we check if it's empty. If it is, we place the current player's symbol. Then, we update the turn indicator to show the next player. Finally, we add functionality to the restart button. When clicked, it clears the board, resets the turn indicator, and starts a new game. Now, let's load the game in a browser and test it. I'll play a few rounds to show how it works. That's it for this Tic Tac Toe game tutorial. Hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching.